Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for the latest drone news and reviews. Helicopter DJI FPV-2 is finally here, bringing next-level speed, precision, and immersive flight experiences. With upgraded features, better camera quality, and enhanced controls, this drone is set to redefine FPV flying. But is it the ultimate choice for FPV enthusiasts? Stick around as we dive into everything you need to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive drone news, reviews, and comparisons. Optimized aerodynamics and lightweight design. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is anticipated to feature a sleeker, more aerodynamic build, enhancing maneuverability and reducing drag compared to its predecessor. This could lead to improved speed control and greater battery efficiency. Additionally, its refined construction may offer increased durability, making it ideal for high-speed racing and freestyle flying. Extended battery life and rapid charging. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is expected to feature a more efficient power system, offering longer flight times compared to its predecessor. This extended battery life would allow for prolonged flying sessions with fewer interruptions. Additionally, fast-charging technology could minimize downtime, providing a more convenient experience for users who need quick turnarounds. Advanced camera system with higher resolution. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is expected to feature an upgraded camera sensor, offering higher resolution and enhanced dynamic range compared to its predecessor. This improvement would deliver sharper, more vibrant visuals, enriching the immersive first-person flying experience. Additionally, advanced stabilization technology may provide smoother footage, even during high-speed maneuvers. Enhanced low-latency transmission and extended range. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is expected to feature an advanced transmission system with reduced latency and an extended range. Compared to its predecessor, this upgrade would enable a smoother real-time video feed, essential for FPV pilots. Additionally, a stronger connection could improve performance in high-interference environments, ensuring a more reliable and responsive flight experience. Enhanced obstacle avoidance and safety features. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is expected to incorporate upgraded sensors and AI-assisted flight modes for improved obstacle avoidance. These advancements would enhance safety, particularly for new pilots navigating complex environments. Additionally, refined features like emergency brake and auto-return could provide greater control and security during flights. Broadened compatibility with FPV accessories. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is expected to offer enhanced compatibility with existing DJI FPV accessories, including upgraded goggles and controllers. This could deliver a more immersive and customizable flying experience. Improved modularity may also allow users to swap components effortlessly, making the FPV-2 adaptable to various flying styles and skill levels. Versatile flight modes for all skill levels. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is anticipated to offer enhanced flight modes tailored for both beginners and experienced pilots. With improved manual, sport, and stabilized modes, users can refine their skills while benefiting from greater control and responsiveness. Additionally, new AI-assisted flight options may further simplify the learning process, making it more accessible for newcomers. Durable build for high-speed performance. DJI FPV-2. Engineered for extreme maneuvers and high-speed flights, the DJI FPV-2 is expected to feature a reinforced frame and rugged components. This enhanced durability could improve resistance to crashes and harsh weather conditions, ensuring greater reliability for FPV enthusiasts. Its strengthened structure would also help maintain peak performance during intense freestyle sessions. Enhanced low-latency transmission for an immersive FPV experience. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is anticipated to introduce an upgraded video transmission system with reduced latency and higher resolution. Compared to its predecessor, it may deliver a more stable and immersive first-person view, ensuring real-time responsiveness for precise maneuvers. Improved signal strength could also enhance connectivity in challenging environments. Enhanced safety features for secure flying. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is expected to offer upgraded obstacle detection and emergency braking for a safer flight experience. Compared to its predecessor, this model may incorporate AI-powered hazard avoidance, reducing risks during high-speed flights. Additionally, automatic return to home and improved fail-safe functions could provide added security in unexpected situations. Customizable modular design for easy upgrades and repairs. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is expected to feature a modular design, allowing users to easily swap components like propellers, arms, and camera modules. This would enhance customization for advanced pilots while simplifying repairs. Compared to its predecessor, this design approach would provide greater flexibility for FPV enthusiasts looking to optimize their drone. Longer battery life for extended flight sessions. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is expected to feature a higher capacity battery, delivering longer flight times than its predecessor. With enhanced power efficiency, pilots can enjoy extended sessions without frequent recharges. This upgrade would be particularly advantageous for racing and cinematic FPV flights. Next-generation camera system for breathtaking aerial footage. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is anticipated to boast an upgraded camera sensor with superior low-light performance and an expanded dynamic range. Compared to its predecessor, this model may support 4K at higher frame rates, enhanced stabilization, and improved color accuracy, making it ideal for both high-speed racing and cinematic captures. Conclusion. The DJI FPV-2 is set to bring significant upgrades over its predecessor, with improved battery life, a next-gen camera, enhanced controls, and a more modular design. These features make it a more versatile and user-friendly FPV drone for both beginners and experienced pilots. If the leaks hold true, this could be one of the most exciting FPV releases yet. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, are you excited about the DJI FPV-2 and its next-gen features? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert drone reviews and updates. See you in the next video.